Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In our last video, we delved into the topic of hypothyroidism and its various symptoms, bringing awareness to this widespread condition that impacts millions worldwide. For those who may have missed it, let's take a moment to refresh our understanding of what hypothyroidism entails. Hypothyroidism is a thyroid disorder characterized by an underactive thyroid gland. This means that the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones, which are crucial for regulating metabolism, energy levels, body temperature, and other essential bodily functions. When thyroid hormone levels are low, it can lead to a variety of symptoms, including fatigue, weight gain, sensitivity to cold, dry skin, hair loss, and more. Now that we're all on the same page, let's embark on our journey into the realm of 5 vitamins for hypothyroidism, exploring how these nutrients can support thyroid health and potentially alleviate some of the symptoms associated with this condition. Join us as we uncover the power of vitamins in optimizing thyroid function and promoting overall well-being. It's important to note that while these vitamins and minerals can support thyroid health, they should not be used as a replacement for thyroid hormone medication prescribed by a healthcare professional. If you have hypothyroidism, it's essential to work closely with your healthcare provider to manage your condition effectively. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific health needs. And now let's begin. First and foremost, iodine is a crucial mineral for thyroid health and is often associated with hypothyroidism due to its role in thyroid hormone synthesis. Iodine is a key component of thyroid hormones, namely thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. These hormones are synthesized by the thyroid gland and are essential for regulating metabolism, growth, and development throughout the body. In areas where iodine deficiency is prevalent, hypothyroidism can develop due to insufficient iodine intake. Without enough iodine, the thyroid gland cannot produce adequate amounts of thyroid hormones, leading to hypothyroidism. However, iodine deficiency is less common in regions where iodized salt and other iodine-fortified foods are widely available. While iodine deficiency can cause hypothyroidism, it's important to note that excessive iodine intake can also lead to thyroid dysfunction, especially in individuals with autoimmune thyroid disorders such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Therefore, iodine supplementation should be approached with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Including iodine-rich foods in your diet can help support thyroid health. Some of the best dietary sources of iodine include seaweed, such as kelp and nori, iodized salt, seafood, such as fish, shrimp, and seaweed, dairy products, and eggs. For individuals with hypothyroidism or those at risk of iodine deficiency, it's essential to monitor iodine intake to ensure it falls within recommended levels. Healthcare professionals can guide appropriate iodine intake based on individual needs and health status. It's crucial to emphasize that while iodine is important for thyroid health, it's not a cure-all for hypothyroidism. Most cases of hypothyroidism are due to autoimmune thyroid conditions or other factors that require medical management, such as thyroid hormone replacement therapy. Selenium is an essential trace mineral that plays a critical role in thyroid function and overall health. Selenium is required for the conversion of the thyroid hormone thyroxine T4 into its active form, triiodothyronine T3, within the cells. T3 is the more biologically active form of thyroid hormone and is responsible for regulating metabolism and other bodily functions. Selenium-containing enzymes, such as iodothyronine deiodinases, facilitate this conversion process. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect the thyroid gland from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This is particularly important for individuals with autoimmune thyroid conditions, such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, where oxidative stress may contribute to thyroid inflammation and dysfunction. Research suggests that selenium supplementation may have beneficial effects in individuals with autoimmune thyroid disorders, such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis and Graves' disease. Studies have shown that selenium supplementation can reduce thyroid antibody levels, improve thyroid function, and potentially decrease inflammation in the thyroid gland. Selenium is found naturally in a variety of foods, including Brazil nuts, seafood, such as tuna, shrimp, and sardines, organ meats, such as liver and kidney, poultry, eggs, whole grains, and dairy products. The selenium content of plant-based foods depends on the selenium content of the soil in which they are grown. Selenium supplementation should be approached with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially in individuals with autoimmune thyroid disorders. Excessive selenium intake can have adverse effects and may interfere with thyroid function. Additionally, vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including immune function, bone health, and hormone regulation. Vitamin D is known for its immunomodulatory effects, meaning it helps regulate the immune system's response to pathogens and inflammation. There is evidence to suggest that vitamin D deficiency may be associated with an increased risk of autoimmune thyroid disorders, such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis and Graves' disease. Vitamin D receptors are present in thyroid cells, indicating a potential role for vitamin D in thyroid hormone synthesis and regulation. Some studies have suggested that vitamin D may influence thyroid hormone levels and thyroid function, although the exact mechanisms are not fully understood. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of autoimmune thyroid disorders, which are a common cause of hypothyroidism. Low vitamin D levels may contribute to immune dysregulation and inflammation in the thyroid gland, leading to the development or exacerbation of autoimmune thyroid conditions. While research on the relationship between vitamin D and hypothyroidism is ongoing, several studies have reported associations between vitamin D deficiency and thyroid dysfunction. Some studies have also shown improvements in thyroid function and autoimmune markers with vitamin D supplementation in individuals with autoimmune thyroid disorders. Sunlight exposure is the primary source of vitamin D for most people, as UVB rays from the sun stimulate vitamin D synthesis in the skin. However, factors such as geographic location, season, time spent outdoors, skin pigmentation, and sunscreen use can affect vitamin D production. While few foods naturally contain vitamin D, some dietary sources include fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, fortified plant-based milk alternatives, and fortified breakfast cereals. Vitamin D supplementation may be recommended for individuals with hypothyroidism, especially those with vitamin D deficiency or insufficiency. Healthcare professionals can assess vitamin D status through blood tests and prescribe appropriate supplementation doses based on individual needs. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for various bodily functions, including nerve function, red blood cell production, DNA synthesis, and energy metabolism. Vitamin B12 plays a key role in energy metabolism, as it is involved in the conversion of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy. Fatigue is a common symptom of hypothyroidism, and adequate vitamin B12 levels are essential for combating fatigue and maintaining energy levels. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the health of the nervous system, including the brain and nerves. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to neurological symptoms, such as tingling or numbness in the hands and feet, difficulty walking, memory problems, and cognitive impairment. These symptoms may overlap with those of hypothyroidism, further emphasizing the importance of adequate vitamin B12 levels in individuals with thyroid disorders. Vitamin B12 absorption requires adequate stomach acid and intrinsic factor, a protein produced by the stomach. Hypothyroidism can sometimes be associated with gastrointestinal issues, such as decreased stomach acid production or impaired absorption, which may affect vitamin B12 absorption and lead to deficiency. Autoimmune conditions, such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, are common causes of hypothyroidism. Research suggests that individuals with autoimmune thyroid disorders may have a higher risk of developing pernicious anemia, a condition characterized by vitamin B12 deficiency due to impaired absorption. Therefore, monitoring vitamin B12 levels and addressing deficiencies is important for individuals with autoimmune thyroid disorders. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal-derived foods, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified foods such as fortified cereals, plant-based milk alternatives, and nutritional yeast can be sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 supplementation may be necessary for individuals with hypothyroidism, especially those with gastrointestinal issues or other risk factors for deficiency. Healthcare professionals can assess vitamin B12 status through blood tests and recommend appropriate supplementation doses based on individual needs. And lastly, vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin, is crucial for various physiological processes in the body, including vision, immune function, cell growth, and differentiation. Vitamin A plays a role in thyroid hormone synthesis by supporting the production of thyroxine, T4, in the thyroid gland. Adequate vitamin A levels are necessary for the expression of thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, receptors on thyroid cells, and the conversion of beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, into active retinol, which is involved in thyroid hormone production. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and protecting against infections. Autoimmune thyroid disorders, such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, involve dysfunction of the immune system, leading to inflammation and damage to the thyroid gland. Adequate vitamin A intake may help modulate immune responses and reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland. Vitamin A is critical for maintaining vision, particularly in low-light conditions. Inadequate vitamin A intake can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. While vision disturbances are not directly associated with hypothyroidism, ensuring sufficient vitamin A levels is important for overall eye health and function. Vitamin A is involved in the growth and differentiation of cells, including those in the thyroid gland. Proper cell growth and differentiation are essential for maintaining thyroid function and hormone synthesis. Vitamin A deficiency may impair these processes and contribute to thyroid dysfunction. Vitamin A is found in two main forms in the diet: preformed vitamin A, retinol, from animal-derived foods, and provitamin A carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, from plant-based foods. Rich sources of preformed vitamin A include liver, fish liver oil, dairy products, and eggs. Carotenoid-rich foods include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and other brightly colored fruits and vegetables. And that wraps up our exploration into the world of vitamins for hypothyroidism. We hope this video has shed some light on how certain vitamins can play a role in supporting thyroid health and potentially alleviating some of the symptoms associated with hypothyroidism. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals is key to overall well-being, especially when managing thyroid conditions. However, it's essential to approach supplementation with caution and always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplementation regimen. Take care, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.